Hitting up a car show today. We got a scheduled car meet for today. Hope everybody is showing out. Nobody on the roads today. I wonder if cops are on quarantine too.
You sure this is the right place?
That's where it said. This is the address. I put it on my phone and nobody else is here. Finally some company. Ooh, AMG too, nice. Whoa, 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 whoa. Dude, one car length, come on. Looks great from here, man. Boys are here.
They all came out to play today.
I mean, the meet started 10 minutes ago. People show up late. It happens. This dude's willing to trade his Civic for 6 rolls of toilet paper? Not happening. This is not what I wanted.
We've been watching the same movies for the last, 4 days, dude.
Sounds like a real hero.
He's been moving his car around for the last 45 minutes, just shuffling into different spots.
Well, in addition to the failed car meet yesterday, I figured we should give the quarantine routine a try. Since everybody's doing it, it's all the hype. You've seen all the screenshots on Twitter about people's daily routines being changed because of this outbreak. I looked a little silly wearing that hood up. But we're gonna do our own version. Just rolled out of bed at about 11:30. So let's say 11:30 wake up. I just made coffee and it's 12:15. You really wanna focus on getting your caffeine in. By sabotaging your sleep schedule early, it allows you time later to get things done. I don't know about you guys, but I have online classes I need to do. I can't do that 11:30 wake up every day. I have to be on my Skype meetings with my group members and whatnot. So we have our coffee, but it also snowed overnight. I know earlier in the video you guys saw that it was not indeed snowing, but look at this. Oh, and it's windy. That's atrocious. This is my plant Franklin, who you may have seen in some other videos. For the next quarantine item on the list and on the schedule, we're going to be getting some better lighting. First off, we're going to be sitting at the dinner table. That is not part of the routine. I'll probably do homework from 12:20 to 1 o'clock. So it's like a 40-minute block of just productivity. All right, just finished up with some Blackboard stuff online. Got a D- on a quiz. That was pretty sweet. It was just a 5-point quiz. I got 3 points on it. I have so much due Sunday. This is rough. I haven't even started this. This is gonna take probably 4 hours. This is gonna take another hour. This is gonna take 1 or 2 hours. Boy. Homeboy's really stuck in 1 inch of snow. Oh. Dog. My car would rip through this. All right, so quiz is out of the way, but as you saw, Carson struggled to get his car up in the driveway because we got like a 1/4 inch of ice last night, and Carson's car is a rear-wheel drive monster. But we got 2 cars in the garage finally. Gonna warm those up because there was some snow on them. Want to melt them off because we just cleaned them. I don't have anything due immediately, so I'm probably gonna procrastinate, but I want to have a productive day, so I might do some editing and might just lay out in the yard for 10 or 15 minutes in the snow. 1 o'clock, lunchtime, beverage, meal energy.
Yesterday.
The C63 AMG is in the garage and dead. Speaking of staying inside and not working, I hope everybody is staying safe from this coronavirus pandemic. We just got our first couple cases in the county we're in right now, so that blows. We are kind of quarantined to some extent, at least. We are obviously on the road right now. We're not staying inside 24/7. I know there are certain places around the country where that is in fact the case. People are literally just locked down inside their homes. I haven't seen anybody on the road yet, and I doubt there's any activity in town today. We were just in Fort Lauderdale. As you saw, my last video was that edit, and just recently it was discovered that a TSA agent tested positive for the virus, and I was patted down in that airport. A little scary to think about the odds there and just how close you come in contact with those things, but I don't know. I'm healthy. I'm staying positive about it. I shouldn't be exposed to anything if I'm chilling playing video games all day, editing videos, and sitting in my garage and driveway. So a lot of things to come in the future. I'm looking at this positively. Hopefully you are too. I don't want anybody to be down in the dumps about it. You guys were loving that spring break video, so thank you for the support on that. That took me a long time to edit, and it was only like a minute and a half long, so I'm glad you guys appreciated the work I put into that one. I do have another video ready to go. By the time you see this, I'll probably already have uploaded that, but that is the behind the scenes video. Well, we're about to pull up to the C63, try to get it revived, get everything started because it hasn't been started in, what do you say, Carson, 3 weeks?
Way more than that.
A month?
Yeah, more than that.
Okay, we've got everything attached and we're charging. So we're gonna get out of here and wait for a bit, and then we'll try getting this thing up and running, but she did. Getting under the hood, real engineer stuff. Whoops, good. For history, Carson had one starter on the BMW that failed to work quite a lot, and it cost, what, $1,200? $1,400 to fix. So glad that's not the case here. We were able to fire it up quite easy, and all it took was like a 10-minute charge on the battery. So cool. Secondary project for today. The grill placement is a little, ow, geez, that hurts. Very cool. 20 likes and I'll steal the car. C63's in business, baby. I want to wash my car, but it's supposed to rain the next 2 days. $40 to 9.0 miles an hour pull. Whew. Good day for cleaning though. I'm not really doing anything else besides studying since school is now all online. So it's giving me an extra couple hours in each day to focus on these bad boys. Oh, I didn't put it in. You said it was already in there.
You kidding?
No, you said it was already in there. Not typically what you want to do for a wash, but we're just doing a quick one. Both these cars already have swirls, so we'll get them polished and waxed here early summer. But for now, this is the best we're going to do. Just trying to clean them up and make them look shiny because it's a beautiful day out.
Who's had a speeding ticket already? You do.
Not me.
I do.
You do. Whoops.